Fine, sir.
How was your night?
It's a good.
Where are you presently, sir?
Um, our two.
Okay, okay, good. The Lord spoke with me overnight. The Lord asked me to deliver some message to you that I should tell you yes, that I should tell you that what you are passing through presently is a phase in your life, and it will soon fade. That the hard time of your life in which you are passing through now is fading out already. And the Lord asked me to tell you that the step you are about to take is not the solution. That the step you are about to take now is not the solution. That life are in phases, and the phase you are facing right now will soon pass. So the Lord asked me to tell you that you should stand up right now and be thanking Him for what He has done, because the hard time of your life is fading away already. So, Romaka, I believe that the message the Lord asked me to pass to you is well understood.
Good, yes, yes, I understand.